everybody. My name is Aubin Roussel. I'm business analyst and I am a part-time student in accounting at HEC Montreal. Today I'm going to talk to you about speaking effectively to 1,000 people. More people have a track when they have to give a presentation. Do you know that 75% of the population feeling some degree of fear to speak in public? So I promise you by that at the end of my presentation, you will be able to be a best speaker like Barack Obama. So I have 4 points to speak for about this topic. This 4 points is mental, visual, vocal, and verbal point. Let me start by mental. All things is in our mind. Well presentation is in advance secret to build our mindset. Be more comfortable. Come after experience. So before experience, you can use your mind to simulate the experience. Feeling well, relax, and imagine you are more comfortable. Pick your audience that it is interesting about what you say. Deliver your speak naturally and see your congratulations so you can boost your confidence. For point number 2 about visual, you know that visual point is 55% about visual point in your conversation. So that thing is important about your eyes contact. It is important in your non-verbal communication to maintain your eyes contact with your audience. So when you maintain your eyes contact in one person for about 6 seconds, you can switch and change for another person. This help to create attention for your audience. Objective is to feel the message. It is important to not disturb your audience with the clothes not appropriate with your audience. So you need to appropriate your build and your clothes with your audience to be neutral. So need the punctuation, your body to punctuate your conversation. It is very important to take some time to use your body and speak very well to your audience. So this point bring me in point number 3 is vocal. Vocal is about your voice. So this point is about 38% important in your communication. So when you speak, use your voice, use the silence to pass important message. So when you have hesitation about some word, you can stop like that, take 1 second and not use to speak, and just use silence, and for that your audience can understand very well what you want to say. So this point, let's pass for number 4 about verbal point. Verbal point is very important and it's about 7% for your oral presentation. Use the word to create picture because visualization is very important when you speak. So your word, you can choose the word that gives some picture, some image in your audience. Don't forget to use word appropriate to your audience. Don't use a simple word and comprehensible word. I use simple phrase that must be very easily to understand what you say. So if you apply this advice, you can inspire, motivate, and inform very well your audience. To finish, I can say that if you need to improve your skill on speak and presentation, make sure on integrate the 4 pillars of communication in your approach, which are mental, visual, vocal, and verbal. The rest is more preparation by see yourself on video and have a feedback, practice, learning, and more training, and you will be able to be a best presentator. That's for you, your attention, and I say thank you for your attention. Goodbye.